Hey there, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Want to make your documents stand out and look a bit more polished or eye-catching? Today, I'm going to show you how to insert circled numbers in Microsoft Word, just like a pro. This quick trick will come in handy whether you're designing worksheets, creating guides, or just want to add a bit of style to your documents. All right, let's dive right in. First, open your Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want that circled number to go. Once you're ready, head over to the ribbon at the top and click on the Insert tab. Now look over to the far right and click on Symbol. From the dropdown, select More Symbols. A dialog box will pop up. Here's where the magic happens. In the dialog box, check the font dropdown and scroll until you find Arial Unicode MS. If you prefer another font, go ahead and explore, but for this demo, I'm keeping it simple with the default. Next, we need to narrow things down, because scrolling endlessly through symbols isn't fun. So go to the subset dropdown and choose Enclosed Alphanumerics. That takes you straight to a special set of characters, including the circled numbers. Here, you'll find two types, unshaded circled numbers and shaded circled numbers, all the way from 1 to 20. Just click on any number you like and hit Insert. Or, even better, double-click it, and boom! It drops right into your document at the exact spot your cursor was. Let me quickly drop in a few of them so you can see the difference between shaded and unshaded. Pretty cool, right? If you're wondering what to do if you need numbers beyond 20, well, let me know in the comments, and I'll show you a few creative workarounds for that too. And that's it. Inserting circled numbers in Word is really that simple. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in how clean and professional your document looks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if this tutorial made things easier for you, go ahead and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tips like this every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.